Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video I'm going to talk about something very important, that is creative writing. What exactly do we understand when we say that creative writing, or I have enrolled myself for a creative writing course, or I'm studying creative writing in college? What exactly is creative writing? So going by the bookish definition, or if you just check it on Wikipedia, you'll see that it says that creative writing is anything which is outside the boundaries which are usually followed during your technical writing, academic writing, or a professional purpose writing, or anything which has to do with, say, journalistic, or anything which is technical and professional. So any writing which is outside the boundaries which needs to be followed in these 3 to 4 major categories is what we can say as creative writing. So this is just a generic, a bookish, a basic Wikipedia or a Google definition which you can get about creative writing. But to understand it in a very much easier and overview format for me, like how I can explain it in a very easier format, is creative writing is anything which is just expressing your imaginations, your thoughts, and your emotions, and basically the way you feel in the form of writing. So if you have the ability, or say if you like to, or if you have, I would say, like the quality of expressing your thoughts or emotions, or it can even be your imaginations or any kind of a story in your mind, and you're able to articulate it in the form of writing, you're able to express that in a form of a specific form, or just writing, irrespective of any form, then that is what is known as creative writing. Some examples can be poetry, stories, novels, and even the books which are like, say, self-help books. So again, self-help books and poetry. So how can we really differentiate? Now there are two things which really comes into picture when we talk about creative writing. Creative writing are usually for either entertain or educate, or just for an expression. Like, what is an expression? We just write our emotions, we write our imaginations, we write our thoughts. That's definitely an expression. Sometimes it's just a novel expression which can sometimes educate, it might have a lesson to it, or it is for entertaining, it can be something with which you're just relating and you're liking and you connect to it. So creative writing can both be for educative purpose, and at the same time it can also be for entertaining purpose. So let me give an example of a educative purpose creative writing. It can be your biographies, autobiographies, self-help books even, because these are the books which has certain information, certain facts and figures, or I would say examples of people or examples of places, which gives you certain information, which basically educates you on certain things. But that again is not necessarily following any norm. Like, say for example, if you're reading a memoir, or if you're reading a biography or autobiography, these are also like a part of non-fiction, but these are things which are a part of creative writing. Not necessarily that they will always entertain you, but more so they will always educate you. So there are two aspects to creative writing, you can always remember. That is, first is either it entertains you or it educates you. And when I call about entertain, then that has to be like fiction, right? So poetry, stories, novels, which has certain forms of expression, which tells you a story, which helps you to connect with them, relate with it, feel along with it, and so kind of entertain, so kind of liking that entire process. And second of all, if it is educative, then it has to do with something. So yeah, if it is a entertaining purpose, it can be a story, a poem, a novel, and but if it is an educative purpose, it can be a biography, an autobiography, a self-help book, which is mostly having a lesson as well. Now there's one more thing to it, that is creative writing can be both educative as well as entertaining at the same time. So poetry can be entertaining, and at the same time it can also have a lesson to it. Similarly, a autobiography can be having knowledge, or I would say information, but at the same time it can also be entertaining, right? The lives of some people. So it can be both at all times. So this is a very very common question which I have been asked. To be honest, when I started writing like poetry, to be honest, I myself was not very aware of the entire definition of creative writing, or the bookish definition that is there. So I just had the basic vague overview that it's any writing which is a part of creativity and it is not following any specific rules or boundaries. It is something which is just an expression of your imagination, thoughts and emotions, which does not necessarily has to follow any boundaries, which are usually done in case of your technical writing or academic writing or professional writing, or anything to do with your professional, educational, or journalistic, official purposes and all. So that is creative writing. I hope you all have found this particular video a bit informative and a bit useful. And to be honest, creative writing is something which anybody and everybody can learn or teach themselves at any age or at any point of time. So if you people feel like, you know, you all would like to learn creative writing or would like to express certain ideas in a better format, so you can start learning creative writing at any age, at any stage of your life. Like literally there are hundreds and hundreds of courses available online, and these are like registered, like proper courses, university as well, like creative writing courses. So if not that, you all can have like online courses. There are many online courses available. I would also be making more videos where I would be talking about some of the free creative writing courses, some of the easily affordable creative writing courses, so that people who are thinking of starting in the writing field or wish to pursue a career or, you know, in that matter, just teach themselves creative writing, because like it really is useful at so many stages of your life. It can be essential in so many stages. I would be making another video on it as well, about some of the famous and some of the most useful courses which are gonna be like the free category as well as the easily affordable categories or a bit high pricey categories. So I will try to make a video on that as well. But yeah, everything said and done, the thing here is that you can learn creative writing at any stage and at any age of your life. That's the main thing. So if you learn and if you really want to learn creative writing, then get started. I mean, it's definitely something which is very nice, a very nice thing which you can even learn in your free time, or if you have a holiday and you want to learn something new, then why not start with creative writing. That's all. So if you like this video, then do hit like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned. Keep watching.